All right, let me just go ahead and light this log up here. So what you're gonna do, you see how there's instructions on it. This side down, lift this flap up, set it down in the center right there. And you know what? I got my little Explorer electric lighter. How cool is that? And you have a whistle on there so I can let people know I'm starting the fire. Let's just go right here with the little lighter and let's get right up on it like that. Check that out. Y'all see how good that worked? So this is gonna start, let this start burning right here. And you know, looking at it, what else does it say? Burns cleaner and greener than firewood. Up to 75% less particulate matter. How about that, everybody? Whoa, did you see that? So this thing does work well. Look how fast this package is taking off on me. So yeah, I actually highly recommend one of these logs. I think these things are awesome. All right, everybody, you can see right here, it's going good. This is the little Pine Mountain log. You can see right here's the wood. So I have the wood in there, but really the only thing burning right now is the Pine Mountain 3-hour log. But technically with this green wood like this thing would burn for 6, maybe 7 hours straight before we have to load wood in there, because this is a slow burning like wood right here, and this little log keeps it going. So how perfect is that? You can see it going all the way down through there. That's all I got today on the Pine Mountain 3-hour, maybe 7-hour log. See y'all next video.